Hello everyone. Today, Hot Ton will introduce the dish, Salmon Egg Roll, a nutritious breakfast dish with soft egg rolls filled with smoked salmon and cheese. How to make ingredients: 4 fresh chicken eggs, 100 grams of smoked salmon, cut into small pieces, 30 grams of cream cheese or a little shredded cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of fresh milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of ground pepper, a little chopped fresh dill for decoration. Steps: break 4 chicken eggs into a bowl, add fresh milk, salt and pepper, use an egg beater to beat gently until the eggs are evenly mixed. Cut the smoked salmon into small pieces or shred. Place a nonstick pan on the stove, add unsalted butter and let it melt. When the butter is melted and the pan is medium hot, slowly pour in the egg mixture. Tilt the pan so that the eggs spread evenly into a thin layer of circles or ovals. Keep the heat low, wait about 1 minute for the egg to start to set. The edges are cooked but the surface is still a little wet. Sprinkle the chopped smoked salmon and cheese evenly over half of the egg surface. Sprinkle a little dill or chopped shallots over the filling. Use a spatula to gently flip the egg without filling, roll it up or fold it in half. Continue to leave the egg in the pan for about 30 seconds until the cheese melts and the egg is cooked through. The egg roll is done when the outside surface is lightly golden, the inside is still moist. Turn off the heat. Preparation and enjoy. Cut the egg roll into bite-sized pieces horizontally, garnish with a few sprigs of fresh dill and sprinkle with a little ground pepper. Salmon egg roll should be enjoyed while still hot. The fatty taste of eggs, butter and cheese, combined with the salty, aromatic taste of smoked salmon, creates a great breakfast. This dish is often served with toast or green salad. Things to note: it is necessary to use a good non-stick pan so that the eggs do not stick and are easy to roll. Always keep the heat low or medium low when making egg rolls. Unsweetened fresh milk makes the egg roll softer, fluffier and more moist. Smoked salmon is salty, so you need to reduce the amount of salt when beating the eggs. Cream cheese gives a smooth fat, shredded cheese gives a more attractive string. Only add the filling when the egg has set but is still moist so that the filling sticks to the egg, making it easy to roll. Salmon egg rolls, a nutritious breakfast dish with soft rolled eggs filled with smoked salmon and cheese. Salmon egg rolls are a popular, quick but extremely nutritious European-style breakfast dish, providing protein from eggs and omega-3 from salmon. This dish conquers diners with its soft, moist egg roll layer on the outside, embracing the fatty, salty filling of smoked salmon and melted cream cheese or shredded cheese. This is the perfect choice for a luxurious, energy-filled breakfast or snack. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and I hope you have a cozy and delicious meal. See you in the next delicious food sharing video.